Hey Wildcats, it's Miss Austin in the STEM lab. Today I want to talk to you about rain. Have you ever wondered why it rains? Rain is part of something that we call the water cycle. When the sun heats the water on the earth or in the ocean, it becomes a gas called water vapor and clouds are formed. As more water becomes water vapor, the clouds take on more water and get heavier. We call this condensation. Clouds may look light and fluffy, but they are very heavy because they can hold millions of gallons of water. At some point, though, the clouds are so full of water that they can't hold anymore. So the water falls out of the clouds and down to the earth. We call this precipitation, which can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature. Today I'm going to show you two experiments that'll show you how it rains when the clouds get heavy. Let's go take a look. Plastic beaker of water represents the sky, and this shaving cream on top is our big fluffy cloud. The blue water represents the water vapor that a cloud holds. I'm going to take a little bit of our water vapor at a time and add it to the cloud. The more I add, the heavier the cloud will get. And at some point, oh, there it went. The cloud got too heavy and it just couldn't handle any more water, and so it rained. It said, I just can't hold on to this water anymore. And if I put even more in there, it's just more and more and more rain. And the rain will continue until the cloud is empty. For our second experiment, I have 2 cups. And this one, I have poked a whole bunch of holes in the bottom of it. And this one is a solid cup. And I'm going to put the one with holes on top. I have cotton balls, which represent our cloud. So I'm going to put those in this cup here. And again, I have our blue water, which is our water vapor. So I'm going to start adding it to the cloud again. You can see that the cloud is starting to soak up the water. You can really see it with the cotton balls. You can see that it's taking on more and more and more. And to make this go a little quicker, I'm just going to pour slowly, just a little bit at a time. And the clouds are getting heavier and heavier, more and more water vapor in them. At some point, they're not going to be able to take any more. I mean, you see how much they're holding right now. I've poured a lot of this water in there. But it's starting to get heavy and the cotton balls are getting full and soaked. Oh, do you see? There it is. It's starting to rain because the cloud is saying, hey, that's enough. But I'm going to keep adding water. And you see it's starting to rain more. If I pour the rest of it in there, you see it starts to rain heavier. Thank you for joining me to learn a little about rain. I'll see you next time. Bye.